Hello and welcome to Kipor UK's introduction of the new Spark IG1000 digital inverter generator. The Spark IG1000 carries on Kipor UK's offerings of competitively priced machines into the caravanning, camping, boating and leisure market. The new Spark IG1000 offers the same 900 watts of output from its reliable, easy starting 4-stroke engine. The Spark IG1000 is updated with a new digital display so that you can look at the voltage and the power drawn, and more importantly the hours being used, which will help you long term in servicing and maintaining a long service life. When you first take your Spark IG1000 out of the box, you will find a small accessory pack. We have an oil container for filling the first time and topping up oil in the future. We have a 12-volt charging lead for charging an external 12-volt battery if the need ever arises. The blue 16-amp connector for the main socket, which is the same as the standard caravan connector used on most caravans. And a spark plug spanner if we ever need to go looking at the spark plug many hours down the way. So when you first take the generator out of the box, we'll need to add oil and petrol. Remove the side screw and the oil is added here through the dipstick. Add the engine oil until the level of oil is just visible in the neck of the machine. Then we add petrol. It's standard, unleaded, regular petrol straight from the pump, no oil mixing required. Add petrol, making sure that when you replace the cap, you pay attention to the on and off on the petrol cap. When the machine is running, it needs to be on to allow the air into the petrol tank to keep the machine going. When you're putting the machine away for storage or in travelling, you can turn it to off, and that will stop the fumes coming back into the vehicle or into the shed, wherever you stored the machine. Replace the side panel and we're ready for the first start. So having added the fuel and oil to our Spark IG1000, we can now start it. Put the choke to the start position, turn the fuel tap and ignition switch to the on, and 1 or 2 pulls. Make sure we turn the choke off. The machine is now running. On the front panel of the machine, we have the digital display showing the voltage, and at the moment nothing being taken, and it's a brand new machine. We have the reset button. If you accidentally overload the machine and we get the fault light, pressing the button will clear the overload. We have a USB socket which would allow you to run your phone, iPad, laptop chargers direct from the machine. The economy switch. Normally we would use the machine in automatic, taking advantage of the low speed. If you need to run a higher powered item, the machine picks up, presenting the power of a larger item that you may want to run. Below that, we have the parallel sockets. You can connect 2 Spark machines together and you can take the combined power of the machines into the separate adapter. It's two spark machines you can parallel together. You cannot mix machines. And we have the 16 amp connector, the same standard connector that you see in normal caravanning, camping and boating leisure industries. So what can we use our Spark IG1000 for? So typically, caravanning, camping and leisure, we'll be charging our phones and our laptops, iPads and any other delicate machinery. And we can see the power being drawn is actually quite minimal. We can add some lighting. For only a small increase in power. You can run small power tools, drills, or jigsaws. Just always make sure that you read the label of anything that you're going to connect into the generator. The generator is capable of providing 900 watts. Typical power tools are 400 to 600 watts. They're absolutely fine. Something like a 9-inch grinder at 1500 watts or 2000 watts is an obvious no-no. The microwave at 11 or 1200 watts is an obvious no-no. But for the majority of caravanning, camping, the IG1000 provides all the power that you need. The Spark IG1000 by Kipor UK comes with a 2-year warranty. If you need help in the first year, we pick it up, we repair and we return 5 to 7 days at no cost to you whatsoever. The 2nd year warranty is a parts only warranty. If you call and tell us your problem, we'll identify exactly what you need. If you're happy, we'll supply the part to you for you to fit. If you're not happy, we have a fixed price service where we will uplift the machine, repair it, fit whatever parts are necessary and return it, all for a fixed cost at £50. The only things that would be outside of any warranty would be water damage. You've used it on the beach or fishing and it's got wet, dirty fuel, accidentally added diesel. But for the majority of the times, your warranty is a no quibble warranty, second to none in the marketplace. Our response, our backup, our speed of response is unrivaled. So the Spark IG1000 by Kipor UK, the absolutely ideal entry-level machine for camping, caravanning, leisure, boating. Call us if we can help you further.